This is broadleaf plantain. It grows almost everywhere, parks, gardens, roadsides, and most people treat it like a weed.
Today I'm turning one of the most ignored plants in the world into homemade tea.
It's way more useful than most people realize.
Welcome back to Hobby John Doe, where we turn simple things growing around us into something real.
Last time we turned dandelions into syrup. And this time we're making tea from plantain. No, not the banana. The wild plant growing almost everywhere.
But this weed has been used for food and medicine for centuries. It's edible, medicinal, it makes great tea, and it's everywhere.
It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins and natural compounds people have used for digestion and overall health. Plantain always grows near nettle, so if you ever get stung, mash some plantain in your hand with a little bit of spit. Simple plants doing real work. If you rub it on your skin, it will neutralize the poison. And before anyone asks, no, this is not lawn salad. But it does make a great tea.
Yeah.
First we clean everything well. You don't want dirt and you definitely don't want bugs. To make some proper tea, we need to dry the leaves first. This concentrates the flavor and helps preserve them longer. Plantain is easy to recognize by their stringy veins. And honestly, this starts making your house smell like a real herb shop. We also dry our nettle and mint, so we can have good tea all year round. Once dried, we simply put them in hot water. That's it. No complicated ingredients, no expensive products, just a plant growing around you. If you enjoy this kind of content, from garden to kitchen, from weed to real food, subscribe to Hobby John Doe, and I'll see you next time.